How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and before we get into depth of what this video is about, I do want to say thank you all so much for the support on last Wednesday's video. If you haven't seen it, it's part 2, the origins of Trucks and Water, and I expose a little bit of my past and why I went from, like, what happened in my past to lead me down this road. Your all support was unreal. I can't thank you all enough for it. It meant a lot to me. That was a very, very hard video for me to make, if I'm going to be honest. If anyone knows me personally outside of YouTube and the truck scene, you know I do not like talking about, like, my past, and I don't like talking about, like, what happened and all that stuff, because, you know, it's in the past, I forgave and forget, but I did feel like it was going to help someone out there, and apparently it helped a lot of you all. I got amazing messages from a lot of you saying that you had similar experiences, or you're going through similar stuff, or you just needed to pick me up and stuff like that, guys. This channel, yeah, it's about trucks, it's about my K1500, it's about truck meets and having a great time, but this is a family, like, channel, guys. Like, I want this to be a group of us coming together and growing together and modifying our trucks and, you know, making friendships and all that stuff. I mean, that's the whole point of this channel. No matter if you have a $1,000 truck or a $100,000 truck, you all, like, are the same to me, and I appreciate and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for each and every one of your all support. I couldn't thank you enough. The reason why you probably clicked on this video, guys, probably because we just broke 2,000 subscribers. I mean, last time I checked, about 2,050 plus, and it keeps growing. I can't thank you all enough for it. Like, literally, anything's gonna happen the 12th of March, but you all pushed it through, and I can't be any more thankful for each and every single one of you for doing that. There is gonna be another giveaway, guys. The giveaway for this week is gonna last from the moment this video goes live, so Monday, all the way into the first week of April. So probably Friday of the first week of April will be the last, like, the cutoff date, because I want to make this giveaway huge. How you enter into this giveaway is subscribe to the channel and then comment on a video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 3 names from each and every single one, from each video I've uploaded from Monday, like today, till that the Friday of the first week of April. We have a big pot of it. That way we can get a lot of names drawn in. You just comment. Make sure it's a comment on the video and about the video and stuff, because I use a random comment generator, and it does not pick people that say, like, hi or hey or I want to win or something. It's got to be, like, a unique comment, like, man, I like this truck and blah blah scene of the video. Stuff like that. I want to give each and every single one of you your best opportunity to win it. The winner, what you'll win in this giveaway is basically, is I will, you know, I'll pick the winner, and you have to choose from Amazon or realtruck.com, link will be down in the description, and you can pick a part that totals up to, plus shipping and handling and taxes, $100. So if you have, like, say my truck, if you have a K1500 and you want LED lights, if it totals up with shipping, tax, and everything to $100, I'll pay for it, ship it to my house, repackage it, and then ship it to you all. That's the giveaway for this time around, guys. It's just a way for me to give back to you. I can't be any more thankful for that. Soon I'll be doing another challenge for a giveaway on, you know, like, more like, if I hit X amount to get to more subscribers. But for right now, that's what I'm going for. I want to thank each and every single one of you for, like I said, for your support. In this video, though, comment down below, like, what videos you would like to see. The truck meet videos are coming up, guys. April Raw Run is just right around the corner. So make sure you stay tuned in for that. I'll be uploading a video in April all about the Rod Run, all about, like, what's going to be happening that weekend. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Of course, Daytona is just around the corner. I mean, it is literally like 70-something days away, I think, when I last looked at the countdown on DaytonaTruckMeet.com. That's just right around the corner, guys. Then we got Adrenaline Show. I cannot wait for all these events, guys. Can't wait to be out there for you. Also, stay tuned for an update on Daytona, because a lot of you have been asking me can I meet you in Daytona? Of course, you're going to be able to meet me at the truck event. I will be there and stuff like that. But I'm thinking about having another meetup spot. So make sure you stay up to date and keep up with the channel for that. Other than that, guys, comment down below, like I said, what kind of videos you would like to see. Of course, truck reviews are coming. Unfortunately, this weekend I couldn't do anything really involving trucks and stuff like that because the K1500 went down. You'll find out what happened in Friday's vlog. But anyways, I want to thank you all so much for the support. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. All of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.